Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no gum chewing, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Malcolm Whitted?
Yes.
Yourself, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Yep.
All right, thank you. All right, Madam Court Reporter, I see you popped on. You ready, ma'am?
Yes, I'm ready.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Malcolm Whitted. This is Junior. This is Z ticket 808632. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good morning to you and your staff. Vincent Asia, P76506, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Whitted, who presents himself via Zoom.
And Mr. Whitted, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Malcolm Whitted, Jr.
Thank you. This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I would be asking the court at this time for a brief, perhaps 2 to 4 week adjournment to the extent that that's possible, so that I can go through and actually meet with my client and go through the offer that was conveyed yesterday by Mr. Gillis. I'd anticipate a resolution at the next court date.
Okay. All right. Hold on a second.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so my clerk has informed me that September is very heavy, so my next available date is October the 17th. Does that give you enough time?
More than enough, Your Honor.
Okay, October the 17th, but that's gonna be the final time, because I see this is our pre-trial. It's gonna be our final pre-trial. If we don't make decisions by next time, it needs to be a bench or a jury trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If nothing further, bond continues, sir. You still going to AA meetings? Mr. Whitted?
Correct. Yep.
Continue those, okay? Until we
Okay.
come back, because it's gonna be a while until we come back. Your attorney is working hard to get you an offer, and he just wants to talk to you about it and all the ramifications of it, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that it concludes the hearing for today. You have a good day.
Thank you,
You as
Your
well.
Honor. You as well. Take care.
You're welcome, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Attorney, yeah, Attorney Faulkner, can we get Zaya out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to get your people out. I'll wait on the last offer. Okay, yeah. All right, Mr. Zia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Atia Zia. This is ticket number X3574768. This is count 2, no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Dear Zaya.
Your Honor, my client has one count of no operator's license. I understand there's an offer by the court to reduce it to improper plates. My client accepts that offer, would plead guilty.
If so, sir, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Zaya, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Faulkner in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October 28th of 2019. Were you driving a Mercedes vehicle in the area of Packer Street and Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have an operator's license at the time?
It had just expired. It was 20 days after my birthday, and I didn't renew it.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court satisfied as well, and is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate. Sir, what's going on with your license? I see that's a whole lot of pages.
So yeah, I've had a bad driving record in my past, and that day I didn't know that my license was expired because it was like 20 days after my birthday. And then I went to court several times and it just kept getting adjourned. And then we had COVID, and I'm like, I have to get my license back right because I got pulled over last week and the officer was nice enough to let me go, but he told me you got to go fix this.
Absolutely, because guess what you can't do when you don't have a valid license?
Drive.
Correct. So you gotta fix all this because you gotta make sure your license is valid, okay?
Of course, yes. I agree.
Okay. And they let you go, so because they let you go, I'm gonna give you a fine today. This will accomplish everything, okay?
Okay.
$200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60
I can pay
days?
it within less than I'll pay it before the week.
Okay, all right, give us at least until, what is it? Give us until tomorrow so that you can be able to pay it, and then I'll give you 30 days though, just in case anything happens, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, no problem. So $200 fine. And then if you have any well, that was your only one because he waived the disregard stop sign on his ticket.
Yeah, he did. Yep, he did.
So you get a lot of breaks. You gotta
Yeah.
drive back though. Take advantage of the fact that you get all these breaks.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use them to
Okay.
the wrong way.
I know, you seem like a nice individual. So have this paid
Thank
for no later than September 17th, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And then the reinstatement is also included.
So it'll be an additional $45. So you'll see that you'll have like a total of $245 to pay, and that reinstatement fee, once you pay all of that, they'll automatically send clearance. As long as this is your only ticket out there.
Yes.
To the Secretary of State's office and let them know that you're all set, that you can go ahead and apply for that license, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you.
Oh, no problem. Of course. Thank you for coming in and taking care of this matter, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you as well.
All right, bye-bye. We just sent over an offer for the last, why you smiling, Mr. Parker?
Who's it for?
Wyndham. Angel
Okay.
Wyndham.
Yes, I see it.
Okay, and then I'll bring Mr. Wilson out after you talk to her, and we'll take care of all those matters, because the officer is not here, so,
Okay.
okay.
And we got Woods. We need an offer on.
You know what? I took care of Woods. She's gonna come back on 9/28 because she still needs to pay on some tickets. You don't know this, but she has some tickets she came previously for. And part of her deal is that if she pays off this one ticket, they're gonna dismiss the other tickets because she owes a ton of fees and costs.
So it's been adjourned, in other words.
It's been adjourned until 9/28.
Okay. Let's see, Wyndham.
Take your time. That's it after that one, so.
I think I'm ready on Wyndham, Your Honor.
Yes.
Just be patient, ma'am.
Oh,
All right. Now call, Ms. Wyndham, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera for me, please?
I can't, but I can hear you.
Why can't you?
Bless you.
Thank you. Mr. Wilson, can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera? Are you in bed?
Not now.
Unmute yourself. This is court. You're live on YouTube. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, I didn't even know I was on mute. Yep, I'm back. Yeah. I'm sorry. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's
Now
good.
calling the matter of the people versus Jawan Wilson. This is ticket number P 1267669. Count 1, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1250906. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, fail to use seatbelt safety symbol. Seatbelt assembly system, 1985. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Jawan Wilson.
Your Honor, days of date tapped up for trial. There's 2 different officers. No officer has appeared today. I would move to dismiss for the lack of prosecution.
All right. The time is now 9:53 a.m. These matters were scheduled for 9 a.m. No officers having checked in on these matters. The court will honor that and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, they can refile these if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, man. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You guys too.
All right,
And
bye-bye.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Glad to help you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
You too.
All right. What's your name again, sir?
Paul Faulkner, Faulkner.
Faulkner. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Faulkner.
Sure, glad to help you.
Thanks. Have a blessing.
You too.
Ms. Wyndham, were you able to get your camera activated? Oh, there it is. Okay. Do you have a scarf on? This is court. This is live court.
Say it again.
Do you have a scarf on your head? I said, this is court. You can't have scarves on during court.
What did you have to say to me?
This doesn't seem like it's a good day for you to have court, Ms. Wyndham. What day will be a better day for you to come back to court? This is like you're being in the live courtroom. And I know you get to be in the comfort of your home, but at this point in time, it doesn't seem like it's a good day for you. So what will be a better day for you to come to court to handle these matters, ma'am? You can put us on mute, please.
21st?
Ma'am, how about October the 17th, October the 18th? How about that day?
No. Today.
Ms. Wyndham, not with this attitude.
I don't
Nah.
have an attitude.
Yes, Ms. Wyndham, you're not in the picture. I asked you to take off your scarf because you weren't on here. First of all, you didn't want to turn on your camera. I asked you to turn on and make it a part of it. I know sometimes it doesn't feel like it, but you didn't even have to get up this morning and pay for parking and drive down here or get away down here today to handle this court matter. This is a court hearing. And it's live on YouTube, so everybody can see, because I have to put them live on YouTube. And so if this is how you wanted to operate, that's fine. But you have to act accordingly for a court hearing date, okay? Attorney Faulkner, would you talk to her for a moment in the breakout room?
I've talked to her, Your Honor, and I'm sort of in the same position you are.
Oh, okay, all right. So. You're just staring at me as if you don't like what's going on, that's fine. We're gonna have you return back on October the 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. We can put this on the record real quickly. Now calling the matter of the People versus Angel Wyndham. This is ticket number P13368119. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1211085. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Finally, ticket number P1122184. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearance for the record today, Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am? Ms. Wyndham, your name?
Angel Wyndham. She asked me what day, and I wanted to ask her what time, and she asked me what time and what day, and I said today.
Okay, you want to handle your matter today, Ms. Wyndham?
Is that best for me? I don't know.
Well, did he relate to you the offer that was before you today, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so you have 3 options today, right? You can either ask for a pretrial. That's another date where you can think about the offer that was given to you today before you make a decision. You can take the offer today, which is a plea of responsible to 1 count of expired plates that has a fine in the amount of $145 and 1 count of improper plates. That depends on how your income is at this point in time, whether or not I'll assess a fine for that. Or you can have the option to have a bench or a jury trial. A bench trial is before myself as the trier and finder of facts. A jury trial is before 6 citizens of the city of Detroit who would decide a similar thing. So you have those 3 options today.
What's the best option? Paul or whoever?
Did you need to talk to him briefly just about it so he can discuss those three options one more time? Because I can't be a part of that conversation.
Yes.
Okay, let me put you back in the breakout room so that you can talk to Attorney Faulkner about what your options are and what may be a good decision for you, okay? Okay. Oh, no. Okay. She's still in room 5. Go back to room 5, Attorney Faulkner. You can put us on mute.
She left the meeting before I did. Or the breakout room.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Bench trial date waiver,
1 second, Mr. Faulkner.
sure.
A trial date.
All right, recalling the matters of the people versus Angel Wyndham. We already had these matters heard before this honorable court. We took a moment out to be able to figure out whether or not Ms. Wyndham wanted to take advantage of any of the three options. It's my understanding she would like to take advantage of a bench trial. Is that right, Ms. Wyndham? If so, unmute yourself, please.
Yes.
Can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about all of your
Yes.
options and rights?
Yes. Yes.
And he's telling me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself, and I'll listen to all the facts of the case as the officers show up, and you'll be able to ask questions to your attorney. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for November 18th, okay? November 18th, that is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and this is gonna be at 9 a.m., okay?
Why does it have to be prolonged?
Because those are the dates available for the court. There's nothing further that concludes this hearing. November 18th, 9 a.m. That concludes this morning's docket.